Hello everyone, welcome back to the integration practice series for class 12 maths. I am Kaushal Chaudhary and in this daily series, we solve one important integration question every day based on CBSE and ISC class 12 board exams 2025 and 26. Today's question is a really interesting one, that is integration of x into 1 plus x square over 1 plus x to the power 4 dx. Let us move on to the step-by-step solution of this question by using the substitution method of integration. This question is from the integration using substitution topic from class 12 maths. It is one of those important board exam questions which appears tricky, but once you identify the correct substitution, it becomes very easy to comprehend and solve. So let us start. Integration of x plus x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power 4 dx. I have just multiplied and opened the brackets in the numerator. Now we can split this integral into two parts. Integration of x upon 1 plus x to the power 4 dx plus integration of x cube upon 1 plus x to the power 4 dx. Correct? Now in the first integral, whenever you see terms like x to the power 4 in the denominator, but just x in the numerator, try to break that x to the power 4 wala term into x square ka term. How can we do that? We can simply write x square to the power 2 in the denominator for x to the power 4. What will be the benefit? In the first integral that we have, I will substitute x square as my new variable z. Let x square is equals to z. Now I'll do ddx on both sides. Ddx of x square is 2x, and over here on the right side we'll get ddx of z. Dx I'll cross multiply, 2 I'll take in the denominator, so x into dx, that is equals to dz by 2. Okay, so let us transform the first integral. We will get integration of x into dx can be written as dz by 2. So I'll write dz inside the integral and by 2 outside. And over here in the denominator, what will I have? I will have 1 plus x square was taken as z. So I'll write down z and power 2 as it is. Numerator mein 1 as it is. So that is the breakup of the first integral. Okay. Moving on to the second integral. That is again very easy. What we'll do over here is we can take the whole denominator and substitute as our new variable t. Okay. So let us perform the next substitution for the second integral. So I will take my denominator 1 plus x to the power 4 as my new variable t. Now I'll do ddx on both sides. So ddx of 1 is 0. ddx of x ka power 4 is 4x cube. And on the right side, I'll get ddx of t. Okay. So dx I'll cross multiply 4 in the denominator. So x cube into dx, that is dt by 4. Okay. So I will get integration of x cube into dx can be written as dt by 4. So dt inside the integral, by 4 outside. In the denominator, I will have the whole quantity 1 plus x to the power 4 taken as t. And numerator mein I'll get 1 as it is. Okay. So basically I am getting half integration of 1 upon 1 plus z square. That will give us tan inverse z plus 1 by 4. 1 by t ka integration, that is log mod t. And finally, I will get plus c. C is the constant of integration. Okay. So let us resubstitute all the terms for z and t both. So we will get half tan inverse z was x square, okay, plus 1 upon 4 log mod t was 1 plus x to the power 4 plus c. So that's the solution of integration of x into 1 plus x square over 1 plus x to the power 4 dx using the substitution method of integration. So this was another important integration question for your class 12 board exams, perfect for your ISC and CBSE 2020. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for daily practice in this integration practice series. I will be uploading one integration question every day based on different types like integration by substitution technique, integration by partial fractions, integration by the method of by parts, etc. etc. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow with the next integration practice question.